NeilMed Sinus Rinse Kit, all natural with 10 pre-mix packets, your daily solution for natural sinus relief. Whether you're dealing with congestion, allergies, or dry nasal passages, NeilMed's physician-recommended rinse is safe, soothing, and effective. This video will guide you through how to use the NeilMed Sinus Rinse Kit safely and correctly. Before beginning, make sure your hands are clean. To begin, fill the bottle to the line with lukewarm distilled, previously boiled, or commercially bottled water. Add 1 pre-mixed packet with xylitol. Screw on the cap and shake to dissolve. Lean forward over a sink or bowl and place the nozzle into one nostril. Gently squeeze to allow the solution to flow through one nostril and out the other. Gently blow your nose and repeat on the other side.